Okay, welcome to our channel, Advanced Structure Technology. In this video, you are going to watch how you can construct a decorated wall using just sand and cement mixture. Okay, thank you and have fun. Okay, the thickness of the plaster is actually higher. Okay, so you put that into consideration as well. Okay, and then you kind of straight the edge. Okay, you straight the edge of your plastering. Okay. Okay, now you see that it's taking the measurement from the previous designs he has there. Okay, so you use the same measurement now to transfer it to the other side. Okay, so after doing that, you use the measurement now to mark the whole place where you will put your design. So it's a simple way of making a good design. Okay, so you just use this tools there, just a pipe, maybe cut your pipe and then you just take it along, or try as much as you could to so that it will be straight. And possibly that wood, the wood that you are using need to be straight and then possibly be plumb horizontally before doing that, so that you are sure of the accuracy, the straightness of the design. Okay, this is actually nice. I hope you guys are actually enjoying the video. Okay, it's a simple approach, and the design is actually very fine. Okay. So you can see the shape is coming out already. You are seeing the shape already.